Hi everybody, so tomorrow is another day. So what does it mean tomorrow is another day, and what we have to do today for tomorrow's? Same like yesterday, what you have eat. So whatever food you have taken in your belly, whether it was for taste or it was for health or it was any concern, that is for today. So today is another day working for tomorrow. So whatever you eat, whatever you drink, you be hydrate or dehydrate, it will reflect you on tomorrow. So your tomorrow, today you have to work very well. Same thing goes to your mindset. If you yesterday was sad and down, so today's energy will be reflection of yesterday. So think good, look good, feel happy, take all the nature's light and reflection in you and reflect it to others. So that's how you can make their life also brighter. Thank you so much for watching, and do it